I want to learn English faster, but I don't know what to do. If you ever said this to yourself, then this video is for you. Today, I will show you the simple method that actually works. Make sure you watch this video until the end because I will share a powerful daily method that can improve your English faster. So let's dive into this video. Method 1, change your mindset. Before we learn grammar, before we memorize vocabulary, we need to change the mindset. Yes, many of us think that English is too hard. I am not good at languages. But let me tell you something. Language is a skill and everyone can learn it, just like driving or playing a game. If you practice correctly, you will improve. So, method one is don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. Method two, learn English in the right order. When we started learning English, the first thing we do is started watching videos. And because of that, we felt overwhelming and ended up quitting. So, the first step should be listening. Just like children learn their first language, they listen first. Then move to watching. Start watching English content, English movies, and you even can watch interviews, shows like Ellen's shows, to hear natural conversation. Don't worry about understanding 100%. Just listen every single day. Step 2, learn useful vocabulary, not random words. Don't memorize long word list. Instead, learn that you can use in daily life. For example, if you are a student, learn classroom vocabulary. If you work in business, learn business vocabulary. Focus on phrases, not single words. For example, the word decide. Instead of learning the word decide alone, try to memorize the phrases. Make a decision. Step 3, speak from day 1. Many of us wait too long to speak. Don't wait. Speak from day 1. Even if your English is not good enough, speak. Confidence grows with practice, not with silence. And here's the 30 minutes methods. What you can do in just 30 minutes. 10 minutes listening practice, 10 minutes speaking practice, and 10 minutes vocabulary review. If you do this non-stop for 30 days, you're gonna see enormous progress in your English. Method 4. And here in this method, I'm going to give you 3 techniques that you can follow to improve your English fast. Number 1, shadowing technique. Number 2, think in English. And number 3, watch content that you love. If you want detailed videos, you can check it out these videos. So remember, change your mindset, listen every single day, learn useful vocab, and speak from day 1. And the last one is follow 30 minutes routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below what is your biggest problem in learning English. I will see you in the next video. Keep practicing. You can do it.